the Anker Soundcore Liberty 2 Pro. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unbox. In this video, we will take a look at the new Soundcore Liberty 2 Pro. These feature the Astria Coaxial Acoustic Architecture, and they retail for $150. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside, you get the user guide, USB-C cord for charging, and various sizes of ear tips and wing tips. The Liberty 2 Pro features 8 hours of listening time, 32 hours with the case. It has quick charge, so 10 minutes will give you 2 hours. Uses Bluetooth 5.0, aptX AAC SBC codecs, and CVC for noise reduction. It has button controls and an app. It also uses USB-C for charging along with wireless charging. IPX4 sweat and water resistant. The main feature of the Liberty 2 Pro is the Astria Coaxial Acoustic Architecture. It has a balanced armature driver for your mids and highs, and an 11mm dynamic driver for your lows. The drivers are aligned on a shared axis, and it will prevent interference in each of their sound output. With this architecture, it will deliver in-ear studio sounds, as Anker puts it. The case has a sleek design and feel. It has a matte finish all around, so it provides a nice grip. The top has a Soundcore branding. On the front of the case, you have the status LED. And on the back, you have the USB-C charge port and the charge status button. To access the earbuds, you just need to slide it up. And it has a smooth feel when opening and closing. The earbuds are easy to remove. You can just grip it from the wingtip. This also has a wireless charging feature as mentioned earlier, and you can see it charge on the pad. The earbuds has a nice ergonomic shape to it. You can see how it curves in, and it has a glossy finish towards the ear tip. On the outside you have the Soundcore branding, and on the side it has the left and right ear indicators. Each of the earbuds have interchangeable wingtips and ear tips, microphones, charging contacts, button control, and LED. And here are the earbuds side by side. Controlling playback and call controls are done by using the buttons on the side, and they're pretty straightforward. This also utilizes an app, and you would need to download the Soundcore app. Once downloaded, follow the prompts and select your device to connect. On the main dashboard, you will find a handful of presets, and you can easily toggle it depending on your preference. Along with the EQ presets, there is also a neat Hear ID feature. This feature maps your hearing sensitivity to multiple frequencies, and it creates a unique personalized sound profile. Just follow the prompts to complete the analysis. You can also modify the button controls and assign your own personalized function to it. The case comes in at 3 inches by 2.2 by 1.1 inches. It weighs in at 53 grams, and the earbuds come in at roughly 17 grams. Now for some music and microphone samples.
Down to the real world now. I told you, you have my heart.
Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the Liberty Pro 2 microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. The microphone came in loud and clear, and you can also use the earbuds independently, left or right side. Pairing was instantaneous. When testing video on an iOS device, there was no noticeable latency. Range was stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the Soundcore Liberty 2 Pro. I always start off by saying that sound can be subjective as everyone enjoys different types of sound signatures. Starting off with comfort, I was quite surprised with the overall fit. They were very comfortable and it created a nice snug seal. I didn't feel the pressure in my ear canals. I think the rounded design towards the base of the ear tips helps tremendously with providing that comfort. It had no issues staying to place while running. Build and quality is solid. I like the design of the case and the overall finish on it. It provided a nice grip and the top easily slides open. The overall earbud design makes a good fit and it feels durable. The button placement for the controls is nice to have on the side since it won't add any pressure into your ear canals when navigating. The USB-C is a definite plus along with the wireless charging. Now when it comes to sound, all I can say is that I was really blown away by what it produced. The bass is very deep. It gives you nice tight sounds. I would compare it to the likes of the Creative Outlier Air or Sabbath E12, but taken up another notch. Mids and highs are also clean and crisp, as you heard from the music samples. You can tell what really stands out. I would say that the vocals don't come in as strong as say the Liprotect Heavies, but overall, it has good sound separation. Having the EQ presets are a plus and puts emphasis on certain sounds depending on the music genre you are listening to. I also found that the Hear ID feature to be pretty neat, but there wasn't any substantial difference compared to the presets. Overall, I think the Liberty 2 Pros produced outstanding sounds with the Astria Coaxial Architecture. These are definitely now one of my favorites and they can easily rival the higher priced earbuds. If you liked my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.